Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, websites have become the primary touchpoint between businesses, organizations, and their audiences. They serve as virtual storefronts, information hubs, and communication channels. However, many website owners often overlook the significance of ongoing website maintenance. This video aims to shed light on the importance of website maintenance and why it should be an integral part of your digital strategy. A well-maintained website is synonymous with a positive user experience. When visitors land on your site, they expect it to load quickly, function smoothly, and be visually appealing. Regular website maintenance ensures that all elements are optimized for speed and responsiveness. This in turn reduces bounce rate and keeps users engaged, increasing chances of conversion and customer retention. Cybersecurity threats are on the rise, and websites are prime targets for hackers. Outdated plugins, themes, and software can create vulnerabilities that cybercriminals exploit. Routine maintenance involves updating and patching these elements, fortifying your website's defenses against threats like malware, phishing, and data breaches. Protecting your website also means safeguarding the sensitive information of your users. Search engines like Google favor websites that offer fresh, relevant content and a seamless user experience. Regularly updating your website with new content, optimizing meta tags, and fixing broken links are all part of website maintenance. These efforts can significantly boost your site's search engine ranking, making it more visible to potential customers. Without maintenance, your website could slip in search engine results, losing organic traffic and potential leads. Technology evolves rapidly, and your website must keep up to remain competitive. Outdated design and functionality make your brand appear stagnant and untrustworthy. Regular maintenance ensures that your website leverages the latest technologies, ensuring compatibility with different browsers and devices. This not only keeps your site looking modern, but also allows you to take advantage of new features and capabilities that enhance user engagement. A well-maintained website conveys professionalism and reliability. Visitors are more likely to trust and do business with an organization that maintains an up-to-date and error-free online presence. On the flip side, a neglected website with broken links and outdated information can erode and damage your brand's credibility. Neglecting website maintenance may seem like a cost-saving measure in the short term, but it often leads to higher expenses in the long run. Ignoring issues can result in major problems that requires expensive emergency fixes. Regular maintenance, on the other hand, identifies and addresses issues early, preventing them from becoming more costly and time-consuming to resolve. Website maintenance isn't just about fixing problems. It's also about tracking performance and user behavior. Analytics tools can provide valuable insights into how users interact with your website. Regular maintenance allows you to gather and analyze this data, enabling you to make informed decisions about improvements and optimizations. In the digital age, your website is often the first point of contact between your business or organization and potential customers or supporters. It's not enough to create a website and let it sit idle. Regular website maintenance is essential for ensuring that your digital presence remains effective, secure, and up to date. By investing in website maintenance, you are not only safeguarding your brand's image, but also setting the stage for continued growth and success in the online world. Don't underestimate the importance of website maintenance. It's the key to thriving in the digital realm. If you found this information helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.